it was a no-brainer to choose the project. It's something I pretty much do every day, and as a materials management person involved in the project, I think it was new to everybody, so it was pretty easy for me and different for everybody else. I had to look at usage, run and get these supplies when they needed them. Squeezed what we could into those areas, and that was basically it.
This project that Tim took on really looked at cost savings and really reducing the amount of things that weren't well controlled.
What's been really important is it has given Tim the opportunity to work with nursing and so forth on a different level.
First problem was the nurses weren't documenting correctly. The presence of the hospital-based physician assistant was HBPA. We had to find a way to get them to document correctly because this was a loss of revenue for the hospital. We identified about $6,000 loss per month, which equaled about a 3.8% error rate. So right now we're at 100% compliance. In this instance, it was our surgical burrs. We have multiple burrs that we use throughout the operating room, but two in particular had a great discrepancy. The surgeon was actually using a burr that cost $126, but our charging mechanism was charging for a burr that cost $17.40.
I think it came to our attention that charges were being missed. I think it's great that we're getting people out on the front line to pay attention to these things and bring them to our attention. It was not things that we would know about when we're sitting in the finance office.
It was a good project and saved the hospital a lot of money, and he did a very good job.
It kind of prompted her to explore, I believe, to explore other options.
There's not a department in this hospital that's not part of the Frontline. I can talk about why we think the Frontline staff is really important, because every success we've ever had, at least in this institution and most places I've worked, is because the staff has been involved in it. A lot of excitement for it. This wasn't a nursing thing. This is a Bacchus thing.